In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide appointments in Outlook Calendar. If you want to keep a calendar item more discreet in Outlook, the good news is that the process is very quick and easy. This can be helpful when you have a personal appointment, a confidential meeting, or any event details that you don't want other people with calendar access to easily view. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to mark an appointment as private, so it stays hidden from others who may be able to see your calendar. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your calendar is stored. Once Outlook is open, look for the Calendar section. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may see Calendar in the navigation bar on the side or at the bottom of the window. Go ahead and click Calendar to switch from your email view into your schedule. Once you're in the calendar, find the appointment you want to hide. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct event, especially if you have several meetings or reminders close together on the same day. When you find the appointment, click on it and open it for editing. In most cases, this means either double-clicking the appointment or selecting it and choosing the option to edit or open the full details. After the appointment window opens, look for the private option. This is the setting that tells Outlook to treat the appointment as private. Simply click Private to enable it. In many versions of Outlook, this appears as a button or checkbox in the toolbar near the top of the appointment window. Once it's selected, the appointment will be marked as private. After that, make sure your change is saved. If Outlook does not save automatically, click Save or Save and Close so the updated privacy setting is applied to the appointment. That's all you need to do. Now your appointment is hidden as a private item in Outlook Calendar. Keep in mind that the exact appearance may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the desktop app or another version of Outlook, but the overall process is the same. If you regularly share your calendar with co-workers or team members, this is a useful feature to remember whenever you want to limit visible details while still keeping the time blocked on your schedule. And that's how to hide an appointment in Outlook Calendar.